Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olakunle. Right, the issue of old Naira and new Naira notes is a very big issue in Nigeria right now. And just of recent, CBN gave an order that everyone that's still holding the old Naira notes should go and drop them with the CBN centers in their state or in their town. But unfortunately, these CBN centers cannot take in people because a lot of people flooded theirs, especially my state where I am right now. The CBN center was flooded by people. So it was after some hours standing in the sun, we were told that we would have to go back to our banks to go and drop this note. And we said, well, the banks are not collecting the notes, but they said the banks have been given instruction to do that. So we don't know if that is because I couldn't go back to the bank again. I was already tired. I just came home straight. Now the thing is this: later in the day, I mean today, we heard that Yaya Bello, Rufai, some other governors went to Supreme Court on this matter, and the Supreme Court had given an order. So let's hear what the Supreme Court said.
We are in court because Nigerians are suffering as a result of this CBN modeled up cashless versus currency redesign. That is why we are here today. And from the understanding we have from this court, the order made by these honorable justices still subsists up till Wednesday when the matter will be heard. I want to urge, and of course, all of us governors, we want to urge all Nigerians. Yes, we are all suffering, but let's stay alive. Let's maintain peace, law and order. If we kill ourselves, others will remain there to enjoy your money. It is just a temporary setback for us in this country. We are not condemning this particular policy of President Muhammadu Buhari. It is going to be the way to go, but the implementation, that is what we are questioning. To ensure that Nigerians have lives, use your money. Nobody should compel anyone to open an account if you don't want. You may choose to keep your wealth the way you want to keep it, utilize it the way you want to do it, and every Nigerian should have the liberty to live freely in this society.
We are working towards solving this problem. It's a national problem, and we are working towards solving this problem. There aren't two sides. We are affected on both sides. We are trying to solve it. Please, I want you to know the government is not deliberately frustrating the plaintiffs. This is a problem that we are trying to solve. With a little time, it will be solved. Please, I beg you, let us not inflame it. It's going to be solved. It's been solved. We are getting over it. Do you agree? Please, that's all. They are not deliberately refraining from putting money in the ATM. No, nobody is deliberately. It's the banks. The banks operate the ATMs. They do. And I join in appealing to the banks to put money in the ATM if they have it. I join the court in making that appeal.
Well, guys, according to the Supreme Court said the old Naira note is still a legal tender. So I just hope that the CBN and the banks follow this order because it's frustrating right now. I mean, a lot of Nigerians are frustrated, and this is what this present government has put us into. This is a terrible thing. This shouldn't be done during this time of election. I know that they might have some reason why they do that. They are doing this because they feel they want to curb um, corruption during election or some electoral malpractices, but I don't think it's really helping because I feel that good plans were not made before this policy was brought up. Cashless policy is a good policy actually, but I not good plan were made. You can't just come up with a policy without having good plans on ground already that will make it easy for people. Now, people are frustrated, people are tired, people are stressed out. Some people have money in the bank, not some people, we all have money in the banks, but we can't spend the money. This is a very, very bad time for this kind of policy, and this is a very, very wrong strategy. So we hope that the CBN and the commercial banks will obey the order of the Supreme Court to still allow the old Naira note to be a legal tender. Guys, what do you think? Please drop your comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. God bless you.